In today's video, I'm going to teach you how we create jobs, estimates, and invoices. We'll walk through the full workflow in Jobber, from building a quote to converting it into a job, and finally creating an invoice and sending a receipt. Start on the Jobber dashboard and click the plus icon to create something new. Choose Quote. You'll see the option to start from scratch or use an existing template. Using a template keeps your pricing and descriptions consistent, so we'll go with an existing one. Next, select the client this quote is for. Review the line items, quantities, and pricing, and make sure any terms or notes are accurate. When you're happy with it, click Save Quote. To get approval, click Send Email. This sends the quote to the client so they can approve or decline. It's a good idea to add a short, clear message and double-check the recipient's email before sending. Once the quote is approved, head to the sidebar and open Quotes. Find the approved quote and open the client's profile. Click More, then Convert to Job. Converting a quote to a job carries over the client details, property, line items, and pricing, so you don't have to re-enter anything. It doesn't bill the client yet. It simply turns the approved scope into scheduled work. Choose a job type. We'll select one-off for a single visit. Pick a start date on the calendar and set a start time and an end time so your team knows exactly when to be there. Click Save Job to confirm the schedule. With the job created, let's make an invoice. From the work order, click More Actions, then Create Invoice. An invoice summarizes what was done and what's owed. Jobber pulls in the line items from the job or quote automatically, so just review quantities, prices, and any taxes or discounts, and make adjustments if needed. You can add internal notes as well. Internal notes are visible only to your team and are useful for context like billing instructions, PO numbers, or follow-up reminders. When everything looks good, choose Save and Collect Payment. This opens the payment screen so you can record payment according to your setup, whether that's card, cash, or check. After payment is captured, click Save and Email Receipt to send a confirmation to the client. Finally, click Send Email so the receipt lands in their inbox. That's the full process. Create a quote, send it for approval, convert it to a job, and invoice in a few clicks. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.